Hello everyone, welcome, good morning, and welcome to the Blue Island Resorts, guys. So now we have outreach together with a caregiver classmates training program. So that's my outreach program with assess the children infant care, children care. Yes. So we're while waiting the um, receipt, so we need to wait for the management. And then we have a lot of patients because caregiver is understanding. So have a good day everyone. So hope you watching my channel, and thank you for watching everyone. And please subscribe. Don't forget to like and share my channel. Knows the humble solo parent. So have a good day and thank you for your support. And now I'm independent mom and hardworking mom. So thank you so much everyone, and have a good day. And